ERPsim from Baton Simulations is a competitive business game that runs on live SAP. Our simulation engine connects to SAP either on-premise or cloud solutions and creates a simulated market. Individuals or teams of 3 or 4 participants will manage a company that competes against other companies in the same simulated marketplace. Using real SAP transactions and reports, participants interact with suppliers and customers, manage their logistics, react to changes in the marketplace, and most importantly, try to beat the competition. ERPsim was originally developed at the HEC Business School in Montreal as an interactive platform for MBAs and undergraduate students. It continues today to be used in hundreds of university programs around the world. With Baton Simulations and its partners, we are making ERPsim available for private and public sector organizations around the world. The process and transaction coverage of ERPsim covers the entire cash-to-cash cycle. As illustrated here, the simulator's automation capabilities allow participants to focus on a small number of transactions and reports that span the cash-to-cash cycle. Unlike other turn-based simulations, ERPsim operates in real time. This means that decisions made by the participants immediately impact the marketplace. A marketplace where one day of business happens in less than a minute. This faster than real-time capability, combined with genuine competition, makes for a truly engaging and fun experience. Our learning model was inspired by the video game industry. Video games are complex software, yet no one ever reads a manual. We use the same approach in ERPsim. We play rounds of approximately 20 minutes, and we start with simple SAP report and transactions in round 1. At the end, we pause, and we show the leaderboard, which is a ranking of the financial statements of each competing team generated by SAP. From then on, true competition really sets in. Participants try to outdo one another, and their desire to win leads them to master SAP capabilities with an ease and speed that often surprises them. ERPsim proves that learning by playing works, even with serious software such as SAP. ERPsim is more than a game. It is closer to a flight simulator, in the same way that flight simulators are used not only by airline pilots, but also by maintenance technicians, equipment manufacturers, or even aircraft controllers. ERPsim as a simulator will work well for a variety of purposes and audiences. Senior executives, even if they may never use SAP transactions in their day-to-day, will gain an appreciation of the value of end-to-end integration and also of its impact on their organization and their business. The fun yet serious group experience also helps build bridges between business and IT stakeholders, allowing them to align on expectations and requirements. For project team members, ERPsim is an effective team-building experience that allows them to experience for themselves an integrated system out of the box. For end users and consumers of information, learning by playing is an enjoyable alternative to traditional IT training. And people don't only learn the keystrokes, they also learn the upstream and downstream process collaboration that is so critical in getting value out of enterprise systems. For IT professionals, they get exposed to functionality that often go beyond their traditional area of expertise. This broad business view is of great value to IT professionals who need to interact with their business counterparts. There's also a solid body of research around ERPsim that documents its very positive impact on attitudes toward SAP. And interestingly, the sim experience is equally popular with younger generations of workers and older employees who quickly realize that SAP really isn't that difficult. Because of its unique ability to quickly generate dynamic live business data, ERPsim can be used also as a testing and development tool, an alternative to hard-to-get production data. And the data in ERPsim can be refreshed in a matter of minutes. Baton Simulations has different versions of ERPsim scenarios. We even have the ability to start a simulation in traditional SAP GUI and switch mid-game to the latest Fiori and HANA analytics, a popular feature for organizations who really want to test drive the latest SAP innovations. At the moment, our most popular products are a distribution simulation, playable in a couple of hours, and a more complex manufacturing scenario that leverages additional procurement and production capabilities from SAP. This manufacturing version can take place over a half day or a full day. The team at Baton Simulations is constantly adding to our catalog. For up-to-date information, go to our website or reach out to your local ERPsim reseller.